A customer of mine, Danny, sent me these pics. He wants a similar tong to be used in a canning factory, probably to remove jammed metal from machinery. I made quite a few tongs in the past for canning factories, so I told him I'll make him one, but in my own style. He thought it would be cool if I make a video of this, so here we are. Since these are identical halves, I'll just mainly show myself working on one half. I need to give a big shout out to Mervale Belson and Jerry S. Hodges, guys who very frequently donate to me. I also need to give a shout out to Gary Tilton for becoming my latest Patreon supporter. With the crazy heat and humidity that we're dealing with over here, the donations really help keep me going. Thanks a lot, fellas. Time for a new brush. I need to replace this handled punch. I've used it 1,000 times and it's seen better days. I've also been using loose punches with a tong recently. Anyone who would like a set of handled H13 punches, let me know. Or if you want them loose with a tong, that's also possible. I won't put in quite as many serrations as on the original Tong. Probably wouldn't hurt if I cut that post off. This new brush isn't my favorite. I'll get a few better ones when I get a chance. So this tong should hopefully work for Danny M's purpose. If you need any tongs, punches, etc., just let me know and I'll do my best. Catch you guys next time.